Pizza Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. My mobile number is 614-35-205-206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. This chapter is very important for BCom Pass, BCom Honors, MCom, CA Entrance, ICWA students. Kindly like and subscribe this. Now we are going to take one question on royalty account. On 1st January 2005, Sultan Chand and Sons took a publishing right of publishing of T.S. Grewal accountancy book of class 12th for 20 years. T.S. Grewal was to be paid ₹1 per book sold with a minimum guarantee of ₹30,000. That royalty would be ₹1 per book, but minimum rent would be ₹30,000. He was allowed to recoup the shortage of any year till the following 2 years. If in any year there is any shortage, he is allowed to recover that shortage in the following 2 years. In the event of any strike or natural calamity, minimum rent is to be reduced proportionately. If in any year there is any strike or natural calamity, then minimum rent will be adjusted accordingly. In 2011, there was a strike by the workers, affected working for 2 months. That is, 2011 was abnormal year when the workers went on strike for 2 months. The books sold by Sultan Chand and Sons were as under. Now here in 2005 it was 30,000, 2006 45,000, 2007 30,000, 2008 40,000, 2009 50,000. Since royalty ₹1 per book sold, so therefore for 2005 it is 30,000, 2006 45,000, 2007 for 30,000, 2008 48,000, 2009 50,000. Minimum rent is 40,000, 40,000. And there was a strike in 2007 that was abnormal year, and therefore minimum rent has been adjusted. For 12 months it is 30,000 and for 10 months it comes to for 12 months it is 40,000 and for 10 months it comes 33,333. Then 2008 40,000, 2009 40,000. In 2005 minimum rent is 40,000, royalty is 30,000. There is a shortage of 10,000. Now how much amount will be payable to landlord? It would be payable 40,000. Then in 2006 royalty is 45,000, minimum rent is 5,000, 40,000. How much is the surplus? 5,000. Now this surplus we can use for recouping the shortage of 2005. Therefore this 5,000 out of 10,000, 5,000 will be used for recouping the shortage. Therefore, payment will be made to the landlord. Royalty will be payable out of 45,000. 5,000 we can recoup 40,000. Now in 2007, which was a normal year, royalty is 30,000. Minimum rent is 33,333. There is a shortage of 3,333. Since in this year it is already shortage is there, we cannot recoup any shortage. So therefore, out of the 10,000 shortage of 2005, 5,000 was recouped in 2006. But in 2007, this was the last year for 2005. Instead of any surplus, we are having shortage of 3,333. Therefore, out of 10,000, 5,000 has been recouped and 5,000 will be shown unrecouped. The royalty payable would be 33,333. In 2008, actual royalty was 48,000. Minimum rent is 40,000. Surplus is 8,000. So we can recover the shortage of previous year 3,333. So out of 48,333 we will recover. So how much we will pay to landlord? 44,667. In the last year 2009, royalty is 50,000. Minimum rent is 40,000. Surplus is 10,000. So in 2009 we cannot expect for the other years. So therefore the total amount will be payable 50,000. Now we are to pass the journal entries. First we are starting with 2005. In 2005, royalty account debit 30,000, short working account debit 10,000, to landlord 40,000. Other entry would be landlord account debit to bank 40,000. And P&L account debit to royalty 30,000. Why? Because shortage of 10,000 can be recovered further. So we will charge from P&L account only 30,000. In 2006, at the end of the year, again we will have a entry, royalty account debit 45,000, to short working, royalty account debit 40,000, surplus account debit 5,000. To landlord, to royalty recouped 5,000, to landlord 40,000. And landlord account debit to bank 40,000. In 2007, royalty is 30,000, shortage is 3,333. The royalty debit 30,000, shortage debit 3,333, to royalty to landlord 33,333. Then landlord account debit to bank 33,333. The profit and loss account debit to unrecouped royalty 5,000, to royalty 30,000. Total we recover 35,000. 30,000 for royalty and 5,000 which of royalty which cannot be recouped. Then in 2008, royalty account debit 48,000, royalty account debit 40,000, then surplus account debit. Royalty account 48,000 to surplus 8,000 to landlord 48,000. Then landlord account debit to royalty recouped 3,333 to bank 44,667. Then P&L account debit to royalty 40,000 to royalty 48,000. Then in the last year, royalty account debit 50,000 to landlord 50,000. Royalty account debit 50,000 to landlord 10 to royalty account debit 40,000, short working account debit 10,000 to landlord 50,000. Landlord account debit to bank 50,000. P&L account debit to royalty 50,000. In this way we will pass the journal entries. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.